Flying like an eagle. 4 inhalations, 4 exhalations. Inhale while stretching your hands upwards. Exhale while stretching the palms out. Inhale, standing straight, and then exhaling, turn the head to the left. With no breathing, stay there for 5 seconds, observing the fingers. Bring the head back with an inhalation and taking the head out with an exhalation. Again, to a count of 5, no breathing. And as we bring the head in again, we breathe in again, and the final exhalation is as we take the palms gently down. Now I'm going to repeat this so that you can observe the movements once again while I tell you how you're visualizing the movement of energy. The energy stored in the battery is going to be moving upwards, and then quite automatically it stretches out from the neck into both arms. You would possibly feel this energy at your fingertips when you get a little sensitive to it. What's important is to draw this passage of energy like a tree across you, across all the meridians, right down to every fingertip. That's the purpose.